Hello, dear student. I'm Swati Rajak and I'm going to teach you today very interesting topic in computer, basics of HTML. And before we know about the deep description of HTML, we should let's cover these topics. So our topic is today we cover what is the internet and World Wide Web, what is the web pages, what is the HTML and uses, HTML tags, and then we create a first HTML program, and last but not the least, quizzes. Okay, so shall we start? Before we know about the HTML, what is HTML? It's a type of computer language which is used to design a web pages. Okay, and do you ever heard about the internet? Obviously, we all know the internet. Currently, we all are working in internet, and we do our various work through our internet. Without internet, our life is not easy. Okay, we learn, we business, we shopping, we chatting with friends, all our work going on internet now today's world. So internet is a very popular. Internet is a vast network that connects computer all over the world, and through the internet people can share information and communicate with each other. Okay, so this is an example of internet. Internet can connect multiple users, and we can communicate mobile, in personal desktop, through a laptop, obviously server, which take our request and give response. Okay, and printer as well. And what is a www? www is a full form of World Wide Web, and it is known as a web is a collection of website or web pages. See, website is a collection of web pages, and this website we get through a www. Okay, it's stored in a web server and connect to all local computer through the internet. www is a play a vital role. It provides lots of websites, and websites contain a lot of web pages, and we have to, when we search anything, we have to write the URL, and URL is a www.http. And did you know about the this type of URL? And the father of www is a Tim Berners-Lee. He invented the www. It tells the browser user what you want, and it's get the response, and it gets a collection of related data on web. Okay, so this is www. What is a web pages? As we know, website has a number of web pages, and web pages is a document, and which has images, pictures, graphics, etc. And web pages is a collection of website, and it's a document commonly written in HTML font, and this web page is written in a HTML font, and today we learn about that HTML language that is built in internet browser. So this is a web pages look. When we search anything, we go in a website on a single web pages. Okay, so this is the look of the web pages. So we discuss the what is HTML. HTML, it stands for Hypertext Markup Language. What is a hypertext markup language? And uses of HTML is language is used to create a web pages. HTML is the language used to create the web pages, and hypertext refer the hyperlink that contain a HTML pages, and markup language which has tags and element within the page. Because in HTML we use as a tags, and tags are referred as a markup language is used to define the page layout and element within the pages. So we will know about the HTML tag. What is the HTML tag? HTML tag represent the root root of an HTML document. It is a root of an HTML tag. Without an HTML tag, we can't write the HTML program. Okay, and when we can't create any web pages, finds an HTML document. First, main HTML tag. First, start the program. We have to write the first one HTML. First one HTML tag. Okay, and at the end we have again the closing HTML tag. Okay, and the first next tag is a head tag. It's contain data or information about the document. Next is title tag, defines the title for the document. Next is body tag, defines the document's body. Then H1 to S6 define the HTML headings. Paragraph tag defines a paragraph. BR tag insert a single line break, and HR tag define a thematic change in content. Okay, and then last is this tag is defines a comment. Okay, which we don't want to read by the browser, so we mention as a comment. Okay, so steps to write up for our first HTML program. First, we have to go to the start button, then program, then accessories, then notepad, then type a program. So when we open a notepad and write a program, it looks like this. And we have write first HTML, then body tag, then H1, my first heading, and in H1 we have to just close the H1 closing tag, because if we not close the H1 tag, we so all the data they take as a heading. Okay, so opening and closing tag within H1 we have to write the content. Okay, and closing heading also. Next is P tag. P is used for paragraph. So we just write the my first paragraph and then close the paragraph tag, and then close the body tag. Then we close the HTML tag. So what is we get first? We save our HTML document. How we save? First, go in file and save button and save whatever you want to name you have you, you want. First .html and then click on a save button. Okay, so the result you will see, but see then where is the data is saved. Suppose you saved on a desktop. Okay, so first go to the desktop, go on file. Suppose you save with the name of first.html. So click on right button and open within any browser. Any browser you want, like Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, any browser you want. And when you click on open with the browser, it's your web pages look like this. So what you do today, you design a web pages. So try it yourself. Okay, try it yourself. First write same program in yourself and do whatever heading you want write and whatever paragraph you want write, and save .html form and save the particular location, then open within any browser, so you will be able to create any web pages. Okay, so try it yourself. And then last not the least, let's start the HTML quiz. First, what does HTML stand for? First, you have to write, you just think and write your answer. Okay, and give a comment what the correct answer. Okay, first, what is the HTML? It stands for Home Tool Markup Language, Hyperlinks and Text Markup Language, Hypertext Markup Language, or okay. So थ्री में से आपको कोई एक बताना है जो सही है. What is right? Second or third? First, what is right? Yes, third is a correct, hypertext markup language. Next question, what is the correct HTML element for inserting a line break? लाइन ब्रेक के लिए कौन सा HTML एलिमेंट सही है? फर्स्ट LB break BR. Yes, BR is the right answer. Third is the right answer. Next, which character is used to indicate an end tag? End tag indicate when we want to end any tag, which character or symbol we have used? This less than, asterisk, apostrophe, or this slash. Yes, fourth is the right answer. Who is known as the father of World Wide Web? Robert Caglioli, Tim Thompson, and Tim Berners-Lee. Yes, last one is the right answer. So write your score in a given comment, and thank you so much.